All right, guys, I'm about to show you how you can make money in the stock market, okay? And the reason why I'm clapping is because I made today on one trade, I made the same amount of money as I will make at work on a daily basis, okay? I say I made more. I made more than what I make at work, okay? Now, this morning I did a pre-market stocks. Every morning I do like pre-market. I tell what stocks that I'm looking at, and these are all penny stocks. Okay, people can call it what they want to. People will say the penny stocks are like shitty stocks. They will say that. Don't get in penny stocks. Blah blah blah. Like, guys, let me tell you something. Like, you really have to think about it. The stocks are there on the stock market to make money. There's stocks out there that people don't like, and there's stocks out there that people do like. There's companies people like, and some that they don't, right? Some people like Tesla, some people don't, right? Some people like Apple products, some people don't. Okay, so it's all up to you. Don't listen to what people tell you. Do what you want to do. A lot of people will say, "Oh no, I don't do penny stocks. Stay away from penny stocks." And this and that. Guys, I made like throughout the year, I made some decent money on penny stocks, and I just really switched over and started focusing more on penny stocks because there's people out there will tell you to kind of like stay away from that, stay away from it. But why do they tell you to stay away from it? Right? Why? Why? You just gotta learn how to move in the penny stock world. Okay, but anyway, let's get right into it. As you see that right there, that's way up. This was like 1,000% today. But this is not. This is one I grabbed. I wasn't in this one, but I just wanted to show you guys how like some of these stocks will start. What is this? I don't want to watch too. Okay, some of these stocks will start down here. Like this morning around 9:45, this stock was $1.94, and then by noon it ran up to $17, guys. $17 from $1.94, 93 to $17, and it's bouncing here. And I don't know what it's going to do when the market closes. I don't know what's going to do at 4 o'clock. But anyway, that's not the one I wanted to show you. Okay, let's move on down. This is the one I wanted to show you right here. Let me go back. Yeah, this one right here. Tnxp. Now, I was trading this a long time ago. I got in, got out, got in, got out. And I kind of like pushed it to the side because people were like, oh, that's a shitty stock, blah, blah, blah. So, I don't know. Yesterday, I kind of looked at it like I made a list last night. And I normally don't make a list the day before the market open. I usually make a list like around, like I'm looking at like around 7. If I see some things, I put them in the list and I put the date on it, right? But this particular day, yesterday, I made a list for today. And I felt like I should get into this stock because I was kind of hearing some things off to the side. So I just jumped in. And, this company it's a pharmaceutical company. They haven't had the best outcome, but they had they had many of, if you go back here, see I'm clicking down here. If you go back here, you see all these jumps, all these high runs up here. So this, they kind of tell you like at some point they're gonna have another run. Okay, just kind of look at the stock. But anyway, now if you move this back, and I want you guys to pay attention to the price. See the price right there? And some of you guys are new, you probably think, wow, that was the price of the stock. Maybe it can get back there. Well, when you see stocks like this, that means that they have multiple reverse splits. If you don't know what a reverse split is, look it up, okay? Look it up. But they have multiple reverse splits, so they're down. But they need to be They need to get back above $1 for like 10 consecutive days so they can be compliant back on the stock market. So they're right now, they have, if you look up there, there's a little dot. I'm going to open it up. See, they're not meeting standards. So they have a certain date to be compliant again. I haven't looked into it. I don't know what the date is. You guys can look it up. They have a deadline. They have to be compliant by a certain date. If not, they're going to get removed from the stock market. And most likely, they're probably going to try to do a reverse split, especially since they made some money today. Okay, they got money and they're going to probably do another reverse split. I don't know when, but I'll look that up later. Okay, but anyway, to the trade. So I got into this last night. Let's go down here. Let me open this all the way. Open. Okay, so December. Let's look down here. Let's start down here. So December 16, I got in. I bought 22 shares at first. Let's see what time this was. Let me open it. See if there's a time. There's a time right there. At 4:40 p.m. yesterday. That's when the stock market closed. So someone was telling me to like get in on this. So I jumped in, and then I jumped in again, about $19 worth. Then I jumped in again. I put 70. Okay. And these are stocks this money is from other stocks that I had and I just sold. And because there were some stocks that I had that I was kind of negative in. So I just went on and sold them because they weren't looking good. So I put all the money over here. And then I tried to do a limit sale earlier this morning because it was up and I was just going to take the profit. And then I canceled it. I went in and I canceled it. And then as soon as I canceled it, not even like 4 or 5 minutes, it shot way up. There was a big candle, shot way up. And what is this? Some more crypto stuff. And then over here, see December 17th, which is today, I sold 152 shares at $1.51. So I made a profit. This is what I walked away with. You guys do the math over there. It was like $100 and something that I put in, right? And you can go over here and see. Let's see. Right here, this is the price per share that I bought it at 59 cents. Okay, I bought it at 59 cents per share. And as I was buying, the price kept changing. There's a 71 cent. And then this one is probably way up. This is at 73 cents. And then I stopped. After that, I stopped buying. Because something told me, this thing is going to go over $1. Right? This thing is going to hit $1. So I bought in. And then I sold. And then right here, we can see my realized profit. I made an extra $127.14 extra on top of the 100 and something that I put in. Okay. So, guys, don't let people tell you that you can't make money on penny stocks because you can. And my whole goal is in the stock market is to learn this so I can have some other type of income on the side. Especially like when you retire, you can do this, sit at home and do this and have some income. And guys, I just did this on my phone. I don't have no fancy computer. I don't have all these lines and charts and doing all this other stuff. I let all the intelligent people do that part, okay? I let all the smart people do that. I listen to them. I learn what they're talking about. I learn the language and the lingo of what they talk about in the stock market, and I'm still learning. I let them do the thinking for me, okay? And then I take what I hear from them, and then I put my own twist on it, and then I decide on what to get in and what not to get in, okay? There's some days I lose and some days I win. Some days I lose and some days I win, okay? So, but yeah, this is just a trade I got in. Is it going to run again? Maybe not tomorrow, maybe because it's pulling all the way back down here. It's like it's coming all the way back down here. All the way back down. It may take another month because look, it may pull all the way down to 19. It may pull all the way down here to 13. Yeah, it may do this for a while and then have another run up. But you got to be careful with penny stocks because They could be delisted at any moment, and then the only thing that's left for you to do is to sell. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you the video. I did post a video this morning, so go back on my channel, and I talked about this stock right here. I kept saying that I feel like I need to keep an eye on this. I said it prior in my video, okay? But that's it, guys. On to the next one, right? On to the next one. All right, guys. Take care. Peace.